everyone, welcome back. So today I wanted to kind of plan out 2 days together. I was going to do Saturday and Sunday, but in this particular week, Saturday and Sunday are back to back, so that does make it a little bit more difficult. So we're just gonna do Friday and Saturday. So here we go. So I'm gonna use this journaling kit from Chrissy-Ann Designs. You're probably gonna see this later on this week if I get my videos up in the correct order, but I absolutely love her journaling kits. They're just so much fun. So let's start with some date covers. So I think I'm gonna do probably just these like strips that are like on the grid washi. Like I totally do not need to cover up the dates, but I still think it's kind of fun since the number is already there and it's pretty bold. I'm just gonna cover up the Friday just like that, and I'll probably do the same thing for the Saturday. What's kind of cool is that this kit already matches the colors for June in this planner, so I kind of really like that a lot. I thought that I had also gotten the ones with the numbers, and of course I did right here, but I'm going to use this on a different day if I continue to use this into the next week, which I probably will, because there are enough stickers to do all of that. But there's enough to plan out for a whole month in here if you want to do date covers for things. So you have this set, this second set, the circle set, and the square. So you actually get quite a bit. So that's pretty awesome. All right, so for Friday, this is a work day for me, so I'm definitely going to start off with my morning routine, and let me just bring you guys in just a smidge closer. So we've got AM routine at 6, which is actually earlier than that, but that this is as early as the book goes. And I am using the Micron 03. I just kind of go through phases where I like the felt tip markers. I've got to make sure that I take my medication and my vitamins. And then I'm going to put in my work schedule, but I kind of want to use one of these strips right here, like the washi strips, to mark off the work day. And I think I'm going to go with the purple. And then I'm going to kind of mark around that for the whole work day. And I'm just going to use my ruler for this, just kind of outline around it. I could have drawn the box all the way through, but I figure just kind of lining it around it like it's framed around the sticker is just fine too. If you forget, you can always just put the sticker right over what you're drawing. There's that. All right, so let me switch markers because I want to make sure that I don't accidentally write with the wrong marker. I was kind of hoping that this sheet had a work sticker on it, but I'm not seeing it, and that's totally okay. All right, so we're just gonna write work on here. And then as far as tasks go, I really have no meetings on Friday morning. I'm gonna put another strip down for lunchtime, and I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. There's so many to choose from with these sticker kits, which is just awesome. Oh, I love this sheet too. It's got like the yay and the other little bubbles and things like that, so that's really cool. I could do, because I just love these hand-drawn circles, is let's pair it. I was kind of hoping I had another pink sort of blob. Here you go. We'll just do this strip right here, and we'll do that for lunch. You can get really, really creative with these kits, which is what I really love. Oh, and of course I wrote with the wrong marker. Let's just grab this one. I could instantly tell because it was shrinking up, if that makes sense. Lunch, and then my meeting is at 1:30, and that is going to be a safety meeting, so we'll put that right here. The constant switching of the markers is totally going to throw me off. All right, and that's really the details or the appointments for the day. All right, so for dinner, it'll probably be around 6 o'clock here. And I think I want to do the same thing that I did earlier with the work situation up here. Let's do I want to do pink? There's just too many options. All right, let's figure this out. I want to do, let's do the green. At least I'm getting them, you know, used up for the most part. So we'll do dinner here and then just kind of outline it. Fridays, we, for the most part, always do takeout, so that's exciting. I think last week we had pizza, so I'm not sure we're gonna do the same thing again. It gets kind of boring after a while, switching markers. But it's definitely going to be some sort of takeout. I'm just gonna kind of draw an arrow over here, make it look extra cute. And then we're going to have our movie night, and I think I'm going to use this purple square right here. And then if I have, I don't know if that's actually gonna work, it might be a little bit too big. Actually, let's do another strip of washi because it'll be thinner to work with. And we'll do this one and maybe a Steve. I might have some leftovers from my weekly kit. Oh, I definitely do. Okay, so we will do movie night. Not really sure what we're watching because we're all caught up on our shows, but we will watch something. All right, now as far as for the to-dos, I can typically get a lot of these things done simultaneously with my work day because on Fridays I do work from home. So first up is going to be laundry, and then I also need to wash towels, which I know is like the same thing as laundry, but when I write laundry, I consider that like clothing, and then I'll put down anything else other than clothing, if that makes sense. I also like to vacuum the entire house on Fridays, and because Friday is trash day, I need to take the trash out as well as the recycling. All right, then I want to make sure that I have some time for content today, which I can typically do after work, but before all of this like shenanigans in the evening. So I'm just gonna write content on there. And on Friday, I need to film my weekly plan with me. I'm also going to film another daily plan with me, and then post other content. Okay, that's pretty much it for Friday. And I think what I wanna do, just because I know it's gonna be super cute, is I wanna put the weather up here. So for Friday, the weather is going to be a high of 94 with a low of 70. That is quite warm indeed. I think that looks really cute. All right, so now what I've been doing along the bottom here has been all of my wellness things, and I'll show you like a couple of days over here. Let's go back into May because we're in the early parts of June, but I will normally put my water intake, my steps, if I read for 30 minutes, and if I did my meditating and or journaling for that day. So I think I'm gonna try and find another thin piece of washi, or even, let's see, I'm gonna actually just grab this leftover event label from the weekly kit and just put that right here and write wellness. Like I said, the first one will be water, and I'm going to use my Zig Clean Color dot marker to write in the 8 glasses of water that I hope to drink each day. Hopefully it's more than that, but that would be the minimum. And then my steps for the day will go here. My goal every day is 10,000 steps, so hopefully I get there today. And then of course my next 2 goals are to read for 30 minutes and then meditate or journal for the day. All right, and then now that there's some like leftover space, I kind of want to use like the make your own magic across the bottom here. I think that would be really cute. I probably should have put that up here. It's fine. Actually, I might. No, well, I just can't seem to make up my mind. I want to layer it with something, that's for sure. So I may actually do this yellow. I just love using these on the daily pages. They're so freaking cute, and they just help fill up the space. I think that it's actually really, really cute for Friday. All right, let's move on to Saturday. So we've already put the date cover down, and let me just go ahead and flip my book over for the day. So of course I'm not getting up quite as early, thank goodness. So I am gonna do like my AM routine over here because I do still follow my routine in the morning, and of course my meds and vitamins. I know that I have a sticker that says sleep in, and I love using those on Saturdays. And I'm probably gonna grab one of these meal plan stickers as well. Definitely need one of those. And I'm also gonna grab this deep clean sticker. Still need to find my sleep in stickers. Oh man, I'm gonna find them. Here we go. And I'm gonna layer that with one of the washi strips, I think. Let's see if I can find a washi strip to layer that with. If not, I think I'm just gonna do this yellow. Actually, let's do a circle or some type of shape. That's what we're gonna do. Let's do the pink because there's already enough green as it is at the top here. So we're gonna sleep in there, thank goodness. And then I do want to do the deep clean situation here, and I think I'm gonna use this yellow because that will take up enough. Actually, look at me, too many thoughts, too many stickers. Let's use this strip right here because I do want to spend Saturday cleaning up a good bit of things now that I have stickers all over. We're gonna start right around here because we're definitely not starting till about 10 or so. So we'll do deep clean here. I love the way that that looks. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking cute. And then I do want to spend some time working on the meal plan. So we're gonna do that here. And in the afternoon, I'm super excited because they have brought back our farmer's market. I'm just trying to put this back because I definitely want to save that and use that for later. But I want to use this frame for the farmer's market. I think that that's going to be really cool. It's actually from 3 to about 6:30. So that's awesome. Let's see. I'm like probably using way more stickers than I need to, but this is like so freaking cute. Now I'm like, did I miss any of this? No. All right, let's put a Steve over here, and we're gonna do this one with this yay sticker. Look, I'm just like in the layering mood. We are gonna layer all the damn things. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take, because these little stickers in here are also individual little washi strips. So I'm just gonna take the yay, put that on top of there, put this little Steve right here. Oh my gosh, this is way too fun. Okay. And then, do I write farmer's market sideways? Anyway, let's not overthink that. Oh my gosh. That is too freaking cute. Okay, so we're doing that, and then we are also, fingers crossed, trying to get tickets for Top Gun. We have yet to see the I don't know, is it a sequel? I think it's a sequel. Yes, okay. So we definitely want to go see that. We haven't gotten our tickets yet. We will finalize that today as to who can go, so we know how many tickets to get. But that is the goal, is to go see Top Gun. I just don't know what time yet, but we're just gonna put this right about here. And I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but we have not, obviously. And I've heard nothing but really, really great things about it. So that's really, really awesome. All right, so as far as to-dos go, and I think I wanna split this. Do I wanna split and put my content right here? I'm not entirely sure. Let's just go for it. I think that this is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I was just saying, I earlier today filmed my weekly plan with me, and I was like, I love this kit so much that I know I'm gonna order it again. And it's just so pretty. Kristen just knocks it out of the park all the time, all the time. And I think I'm gonna use the rest of the washi down at the bottom as well for my health and wellness stuff. And I'm gonna put the let's do this. Okay, so as far as things to do on Saturday, like I'm basically gonna put all of the deep cleaning details over here. So I'm gonna do clean bathrooms. I need to dust. Also need to mop. Also need to put away laundry because I know that that is not happening on Friday probably. The laundry's getting done. It doesn't always get put away in the same day. And I think that's it for now. Now, one of the other things I want to do is actually get this video up on Saturday. So this actual plan with me will go up. So I need to share that video. So I'm just going to write share daily plan with me. Obviously get to comments and messages, post to Instagram, post to TikTok, which I'm trying to get better at. Just kind of struggling. I hear you have to post like 5 to 7 times a day. It's not happening. And then of course I need to go through some emails. Okay, and even though it is Saturday, I still want to get my health and wellness goals happening. So the first thing is, of course, water, and then my steps, and let's mark the dots for water. And then I don't know if I'm gonna get to read for 30 minutes, but we're gonna try. We're still gonna try. Usually I can get it done first thing in the morning with my coffee, and then it's the meditating and journaling that might not happen. And I kind of want to use the "this is what awesome looks like" across the top, because that is just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Who knows exactly what TikTok I'm referencing? Oh my goodness. All right, and then I kind of want to do this little basket weave situation with, let's see. Okay, maybe we won't use that. Let's put that back. But I kind of wanted to use the "you can do hard things." I just feel like the bottom needs something over here, right? Because I didn't put enough stickers. I didn't use enough. Anyway, I'm gonna do the "you can do hard things" here instead of the weather, because that makes sense in my brain. I still have this whole sheet of circles that I haven't touched. That's okay. Let's maybe put, let's grab this situation. It looks like a hashtag, like, I don't know. All right, let's do that. And then I'm trying to make sure that it actually fits. This is probably like major overkill. And I just need to cut off the excess right here because there was just a smidge hanging off there. That is so cute. Okay, so that's it for these 2 days. All right, guys, that is it. Well, at least for the start of this weekend's plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot speak highly enough of this kit from Chrissy Ann Designs. It is just so freaking cute. The colors are perfection. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.